There's a little bird with a big imagination, wondering where and when to set his final destination. All his friends are trying to help him reach the open sky. All these obstacles in the way, everyone's wondering why. Kippy the Kiwi bird, he's from down under. Kippy the Kiwi bird thinks he can fly. No one told him any different. He sees the other birds in the sky. Kippy the Kiwi bird thinks he can fly. Kippy finds trouble as he's learning how to fly. Everyone is helping him, watch out for the other guy. He finally gets his wings flapping and he starts to fly. But he starts to come down, heading for the ground. Kippy the Kiwi bird, he's from down under. Kippy the Kiwi bird thinks he can fly. No one told him any different. He sees the other birds in the sky. Kippy the Kiwi bird thinks he